Please give me a cup of tea.
Please give me a cup of tea.
I wash the cup and plate.
I washed the cup and plate.
The customer buys some bread.
The customer buys some bread.
She is a good customer here.
She is a good customer here.
I cut the paper with scissors.
I cut the paper with scissors.
Please cut the cake now.
Please cut the cake now.
My dad works in an office.
My dad works in an office.
I love my dad very much.
I love my dad very much.
Do you want to dance with me?
Do you want to dance with me?
I like this dance very much.
I like this dance very much.
She is a very good dancer.
She is a very good dancer.
The dancer moves fast.
The dancer moves fast.
Dancing is good exercise.
Dancing is good exercise.
I like singing and dancing.
I like singing and dancing.
Lions are dangerous animals.
Lions are dangerous animals.
It is dangerous to run here.
It is dangerous to run here.
It is dark at night.
It is dark at night.
She has long dark hair.
She has long dark hair.
What is the date today?
What is the date today?
Write the date on the paper.
Write the date on the paper.
Her daughter is 5 years old.
Her daughter is 5 years old.
I have one son and one daughter.
I have one son and one daughter.
I hope you have a nice day.
I hope you have a nice day.
I work every day.
I work every day.
She is a dear friend.
She is a dear friend.
Dear John, I hope you are well.
Dear John, I hope you are well.
I cannot decide what to eat.
I cannot decide what to eat.
Please decide where to go.
Please decide where to go.
This cake is delicious.
This cake is delicious.
Thank you for the delicious meal.
Thank you for the delicious meal.
Can you describe your house?
Can you describe your house?
Please describe the picture.
Please describe the picture.
Read the description of the book.
Read the description of the book.
The description is very short.
The description is very short.
I like the design of this room.
I like the design of this room.
They design nice clothes.
They design nice clothes.
My book is on the desk.
My book is on the desk.
I sit at my desk to work.
I sit at my desk to work.
Tell me every detail.
Tell me every detail.
That is a small detail.
That is a small detail.
Listen to the dialogue.
Listen to the dialogue.
Read the dialogue with a partner.
Read the dialogue with a partner.
I use a dictionary to find new words.
I use a dictionary to find new words.
This dictionary is very big and heavy.
This dictionary is very big and heavy.
Plants die without water and sun.
Plants die without water and sun.
The flowers will die if you do not water them.
The flowers will die if you do not water them.
A good diet helps you stay healthy.
A good diet helps you stay healthy.
She eats a lot of fruit in her diet.
She eats a lot of fruit in her diet.
What is the difference between these two words?
What is the difference between these two words?
I can see the difference now.
I can see the difference now.
These two shirts are very different.
These two shirts are very different.
We live in different cities.
We live in different cities.
This question is very difficult for me.
This question is very difficult for me.
Learning a new language can be difficult.
Learning a new language can be difficult.
We eat dinner at 7 every night.
We eat dinner at 7 every night.
What do you want for dinner today?
What do you want for dinner today?
My hands are dirty from the garden.
My hands are dirty from the garden.
Please wash those dirty clothes.
Please wash those dirty clothes.
We need to discuss our plans for tomorrow.
We need to discuss our plans for tomorrow.
Let us discuss this problem together.
Let us discuss this problem together.
This dish is made with chicken and rice.
This dish is made with chicken and rice.
Please put the dish on the table.
Please put the dish on the table.
What do you want to eat?
What do you want to eat?
I do my homework after school.
I do my homework after school.
The doctor works at the hospital.
The doctor works at the hospital.
I need to see a doctor today.
I need to see a doctor today.
My dog likes to play in the park.
My dog likes to play in the park.
The dog is sleeping on the bed.
The dog is sleeping on the bed.
This book costs $10.
This book costs $10.
I have $1 in my pocket.
I have $1 in my pocket.
Please close the door when you leave.
Please close the door when you leave.
Someone is at the door.
Someone is at the door.
Please sit down on the chair.
Please sit down on the chair.
The cat jumped down from the table.
The cat jumped down from the table.
The kitchen is downstairs in our house.
The kitchen is downstairs in our house.
Please come downstairs for breakfast.
Please come downstairs for breakfast.
I like to draw pictures of animals.
I like to draw pictures of animals.
Can you draw a house for me?
Can you draw a house for me?
She is wearing a beautiful red dress.
She is wearing a beautiful red dress.
I need to dress quickly for work.
I need to dress quickly for work.
I drink water every day.
I drink water every day.
Would you like a cold drink?
Would you like a cold drink?
I drive to work every day.
I drive to work every day.
Can you drive a car?
Can you drive a car?
The bus driver is very friendly.
The bus driver is very friendly.
My brother is a taxi driver.
My brother is a taxi driver.
I sleep during the night.
I sleep during the night.
We met during the summer holiday.
We met during the summer holiday.
Each student has a book.
Each student has a book.
We see each other every week.
We see each other every week.
I have a pain in my ear.
I have a pain in my ear.
The rabbit has long ear.
The rabbit has long ear.
I wake up early every morning.
I wake up early every morning.
The train came early today.
The train came early today.
The sun comes up in the east.
The sun comes up in the east.
My city is in the east of the country.
My city is in the east of the country.
This game is very easy to play.
This game is very easy to play.
The test was easy for me.
The test was easy for me.
I eat breakfast at 8 every day.
I eat breakfast at 8 every day.
What do you want to eat?
What do you want to eat? Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.